Need to send cash instantly but don't have time for long queues? TymeBank's CashSend feature is your lifesaver. First, unlock your phone and open the TymeBank app. Make sure you're already logged in. Look for the Send Money icon. It's usually at the bottom navigation, then tap on it. On the Send Money menu, tap on CashSend. This takes you to the CashSend screen. Enter the recipient's South African mobile phone number very carefully. Double-check you got it right. Now, enter the exact amount of money you want to send. Remember, TymeBank has daily limits. Create a unique 4-digit PIN code. This PIN is crucial. You'll need to give it to the person collecting the money. Review all the details carefully one last time. Ensure the phone number and amount are correct. Then confirm the transaction. You'll receive a confirmation message with a reference number. Share this reference number and the 4-digit PIN with the person collecting the cash. The recipient can now withdraw the cash at any TymeBank kiosk or participating retailer. That's it. Quick, easy, and convenient cash send with TymeBank.